KSBY News is committed to shining a light in these uncertain times. The Rebound Central Coast focuses on helping you and your family navigate the pressures brought on by the COVID-19 pandemic. Local Assemblyman Jordan Cunningham is hoping to give students better access to mental health resources. KSBY reporter Tiffany Haas goes more in depth on what it means for schools.
Assemblyman Jordan Cunningham introduced the bill package, which would give K through 12 students better access to mental health professionals in public schools. Local therapists say students are struggling with the pandemic.
There are a lot of teens right now that are really struggling, that are really having a difficult time.
Clinical psychologist Tim Schenberg says the cumulative effects of the pandemic have been weighing on children and teens.
The reality is that there's not enough resources for children and teenagers, and the first point of contact for most kids is a school teacher or school counselor, and they're always looking for resources, and they frankly need more.
Assembly Bill 1080 and 1081 would allow school districts to partner with outside mental health providers or clinics to provide mental health treatment during the school day. It would also provide $500 million to the districts to help cover the cost. Assemblyman Cunningham wrote in a statement, quote, "The pandemic has had a major impact on our children's mental health and well-being. By increasing both the funding and the pool of accessible mental health professionals available for our kids, we can make sure our children have the mental health resources they need," end quote. The CDC says mental health-related emergency room visits for children are up as much as 31%.
Young children really look to their parents for direction and to get their needs met, whereas teenagers really look to their friends. And so, I mean, that has just been turned upside down.
I think children right now, like I said, if a lot of them are getting left in the dust, and it's really difficult for families. And so any extra support, any extra ally, I think is a huge, huge benefit.
Having someone other than family members to talk to, even if it's just through Zoom, can help.
Just knowing that there is something else, if things aren't going well at home, knowing that there's another direction and there's a safe place to go to, I really think that can be a huge benefit.
In San Luis Obispo, Tiffany Haas, KSBY News.